I'm excited to try this mascara. You know about it. After all that drama with Lashgate with Michaela, I'm a sucker, so I bought it. The Telescopic Lift by L'Oreal mascara, and I got it in waterproof. I always get it in waterproof just because I'm an oily mess and everything just slides off my face, so I always get the waterproof one. So let's go try it and see if it really does lengthen the lashes. See closely. Oops. They're really like short and thin, not thick at all. So we're gonna try it. I'm thinking I'm going to just apply it in one side without curling them, and then I'm gonna use a special technique that I saw on TikTok. I forgot the creator's name. Here it is. This is Telescopic Lift in waterproof. I bought this for $19.99 at Shoppers Drug Mart, Canada. And that wasn't on sale. I couldn't wait, and luckily I found it. So immediately the brush, it says in the packaging that you use one side. Let me see what this. It's an exclusive load and lift brush. So the instructions in the back says, lift and load your lashes using the front hook bristles, which is front hook. Hold on. I don't know why I have trouble reading this. Front hook bristles is the one that looks like curved. Wait a minute, is it like this or like this? I can't tell. Okay, but I think this is the front hook according to the pictures. Oh my God, why is this so hard? Okay, let me explain. It's like, okay. So if you look at the shape of the bristles, it is like one side, this side facing you right now. There's no bristles at all. That's one side. And then if you turn it over, there's bristles all around the side toward the front. So it's like, I'm not good at explaining this, but from what I understand now, if I go apply my lashes first with this is to load and lift your lashes. And then if you turn it toward the side with more where the bristles are, and the bare backside is facing away from you, that's to comb and separate your lashes. Use the side hook. Oh, I could be wrong. Okay, I think it's load and lift like this. It's curved. Okay, and I'm using the bristles on the side. Okay, let's try it. God. So, starting from the base. That's one coat. What do you think? Okay, let's do a second coat. So I'm still like loading my lashes. Wow. Okay, now I'm loading it. So now it says to use the side hook. I guess it's like this. Whereas the bristles are facing me, but the bare side with no bristles is facing outward, I believe. Is this right? Why is this so hard for me to get? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see if that's right. Okay, so bristles facing me to lift. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay. I think it does do something. Ooh, right? Do you see a difference? Holy smokes. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, and this is like, is this the third or fourth coat? I lost count. I don't remember. But definitely this two-step procedure is, wow. Holy smokes. I'm impressed. I am Look at that. Ooh. What? Do you see that? I really am impressed. And I didn't even use like a primer or the lash curler. So imagine with the lash curler. Okay, so now let's just want to load some more just on the edge. Okay, now I'm gonna know I'm getting spidery there, but ooh, right? Ah, okay. Oh my God, I'm getting excited. Okay, so now on the other side, I'm going to do this technique that I saw on TikTok. And it was by this, I think she's a makeup artist. Yeah, she's a makeup artist and she's into Marilyn Monroe. And she did this technique that was really, really effective in lengthening the lashes. So what did she say? Okay, so first step, she said to curl the base of your lashes. Okay, and then she said to curl just the tip. Okay, so let's just try, where's my tip? Again, it's kind of hard to find a tip. Now that I understand how the mascara wand works, starting from the base. And I didn't even dip back. Like in between the coats, I did not dip back into the mascara tube. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now I'm going to turn it over with the bristles on the side. The side with just the bristles, and the back flat side is facing you guys, facing away from your eye. Oh my God, this is incredible. I'm really liking this formula. It's not thick. Do I think it gets clumpy? Not really. I think my lashes don't look too spidery. Okay, I still didn't go back into the tube. I feel like this thickens my lashes, gives me a nice volume. Look at that. I have lashes. This mascara is, I would say, I like this better than my MAC Stack and the Maybelline. Whoa, look at that. And the Maybelline, what is it called? Sky High. Look at that. I don't know. Maybe I didn't curl my lashes right, but I feel, yeah, no, this is more obvious. Like, it looks really good. And this is a natural light. I'm not using any natural light. I'm facing a window and you could see. And I didn't even go back in the tube. I'm not wearing falsies. Okay, maybe it's getting clumpy now. Now it's getting clumpy because I just put on a gazillion coats, but I'm really impressed. I think it really works well if you use the lash curler. Okay, there we go. So I'm really impressed with this mascara. I believe the hype, but not Michaela's version. But I'm so impressed with this mascara. Like, holy crap. Then I could give my lashes a rest. I don't need to wear my falsies all the time. Oh, look at that. I'm so impressed. This is crazy. Like, whoa. Like the before and after. It's like, this is incredible. Like, I have length and I think even volume. Like, wow. Okay, so I'm impressed with this mascara. I would definitely recommend it. So there you have it. Go run and buy yourself this telescopic lift. Oh my God. Anyways, so thank you for watching. And yeah, let me know if you've tried it and if you really like it, because I do. Bye.